was riding through a city. There were a lot of vehicles on the road. Suddenly, all the vehicles stopped moving. Rampa's bike, too, was not moving. Rampa got down from the bike and looked around. Suddenly, he saw a car moving on a ground some distance distance away. He ran towards the car. When he reached there, he saw the evil scientist Droko Darknose busy with some device. He was not aware that Rampa was there. Hey, what are you doing? Asked Rampa. Draco was startled. Oh, I was just testing my new device. Rampa snatched the device from him, called police, and handed him over. Thank you, sir. Good night.